What's up, guys? What do we got today? A slip and slide. Max, did you buy the slip and slide? Oh man, Max, what is this? Slip and slide Banzai. So it looks like it has some kind of turbo boost slime in here. So 2 bags of slime included. Interesting. So I guess it's just a typical slip and slide with 18 feet and 30 inches. Ages 5 to 12. Open it up. Alright, so we got it out finally. And I guess that's the slime, Max. You know what this is?
No.
No, you don't want this? Okay. Alright, new plan. We're gonna take this baby up right here. Alright guys, so we got 2 stakes in and we're looking good. Now we're gonna try to fill up water in here. So it's just a little hole though. It says fill water before use. We got the water hose here.
It's filling up. Look at that. It used to be tiny, but now it's filling up. We're putting the water in and then we're filling up the thing over there.
Alright, so we're done filling it up because we don't want to fill it up more because it's going to blow up over there, I think. Yeah, Marky? Mm-hmm. So we're just going to go ahead and connect to our water sprinkler. Okay, Marky, let it rip. Alright, it's doing something. There it goes. I can see the sprinkles coming up. There we go. That's better. Alright, so Marky will be the first brave one. The kids are having fun, but we haven't used the slime yet. So we're gonna put a little bit of slime mix in there. I'll sprinkle some slime on the head. Oh boy. The slime is working, Mark. Alright guys, so this is the Banzai slip and slide. So the kids are enjoying it and everything's awesome. So this is a pretty cheap option for summer to have fun. The kids love it. If you want to get a slip and slide like this, we'll leave a link in the description. Marcus, how's this slip and slide? Thumbs up?
Yes!
Thanks for watching this video. Check out our other videos on this channel. And if you like this video, hit that like button. And also subscribe to see more. Alright guys, we'll see you on the next one. Peace!